Yes, right here.
We've been listening to L.A. District Attorney Nathan Hochman at a news conference there in downtown announcing that his office has now filed an official response asking a court to deny the Menendez brothers' latest habeas attempt to call for a new trial. This is one of 3 different legal tracks that the Menendez brothers are attempting, in addition to clemency from the governor, as also a resentencing that was called on by Hochman's predecessor, George Gascon, to try and free themselves from decades in prison in the murder of their parents, Jose and Kitty Menendez. Hochman there seeming very skeptical of the brothers' position in this latest habeas case. They've already lost 2 habeas cases already.
And we should mention that this second habeas motion that was filed is a second one here in California. And this one is the one that includes 2 new pieces of evidence. And we're talking about that photo of a letter from Eric to his cousin Andy Cano discussing the sexual abuse by his father, Jose Menendez. And then the second is that declaration by Roy Rosello saying he had been abused by Jose Menendez. And Roy Rosello is that band member from Menudo. We want to bring in our criminal defense attorney, Manny Medrano. Manny, let's talk about this and talk about some of that evidence that's making him sound or feel a little skeptical about this.
Jonathan, Annabelle, first, let me just say this for you. There is no question that District Attorney Hochman has just completely shredded the habeas corpus petition by the Menendez brothers. He is unimpressed with it. He is rejecting it for all the reasons that we just heard over this 38-minute press conference. This habeas corpus, as you said right now, Annabelle, hangs its hat on 2 new pieces of evidence, right? A purported letter saying that that one of the Menendez brothers had been sexually assaulted by his dad. This letter supposedly existing before the murders. And then the second piece of evidence that a member of the Menudo group allegedly claimed that he had been sexually assaulted by the dad, Jose. Well, as I said, Nathan Hochman has done what every good prosecutor should do: go through the entire record, all the transcripts, which are thousands and thousands of pages. And I know, because I was a legal analyst covering both Menendez brothers trials, and Hochman has proceeded to completely reject all the key defense arguments, including the letter. Well, they knew about this letter since 2015. Why did they delay so long in the habeas to present it to the new judge? And second, he also mentioned that the letter is simply not admissible. It's not credible. The defendants are not credible. They've given 5 different versions of what happened at the time of the murder. They have what's called suborned perjury. That means they tried to recruit witnesses to claim to support the Menendez brothers' defense. And finally, they hid evidence, hid the shotguns, hid the bloody clothes. You put this ball of wax together, Nathan Hochman has filed papers with the judge saying, Your Honor, deny the petition. It's bogus. Those guys should stay in prison for the rest of their lives.
Manny, forgive me because we have to go to more breaking news, but just very quickly, is resentencing still a possibility for the Menendez brothers?
Absolutely, because as Hochman told everyone right now, this is just the opinion of Hochman and the papers that they filed. At the end of the day, it's up to the judge to decide what he's going to do with this case.
And that it's expected to happen next month. All right, Manny Medrano, thank you so much for that.
We do appreciate it. All right, and as we